Hey everyone, welcome to Mobile Sessions, and I'm Kenny Moran, and we're going to do some stuff with PreSonus Atom today. So come inside the studio and check it out. Today I'm going to do this quick little video on the new Atom by PreSonus, which you see right here. It's the coolest little thing to program with, and we're going to talk about the new integration it has with Ableton Live, which is what you see up here. So I've programmed a simple beat using some of the sounds inside there, and I'm going to show you how you can do some of the control from Atom. One of the first features that I use all the time is the show hide feature, which is right here, and it highlights when it's showing, and then the lights go off. And from here, in Ableton, obviously I can look at the drum kit that I'm using, which is a drum track. Or if I double click here in the clip, then it'll show me the MIDI that I'll have in that clip. So let's start with this. And here's the drum track here. And you can see with the drum track, it corresponds to what I have going on with the Atom. Now, if I use the select button, which is this green button here, if I press that, it highlights green. If you press and you hold it, you'll notice that I can record enable a track. I can solo the track. Right? I can choose what track I'm on, or I can disengage a clip. So right now, if it's not in record, then obviously you're not going to hear anything. So I'm going to put that back in record. Or you'll also notice that if I select the second track, I can play the Rhodes from here. Now, here's what's neat. You'll notice here on the right-hand side, you have the up, down, left, and right button. So left and right buttons move me from track to track as well. So I don't always have to go into select to do that. But I do have to go into select to arm the one that I'm looking on, right? So I'm going to go back to the first track. Now, when I'm working with the drum pads, and I'm going to select, go and record, I'm going to show that track, you'll notice here that we have the various levels that you can work with within the drum track. So using the up and down buttons, I can scroll through those back and forth, and it corresponds to the bank. So it's not an octave up and down button. It actually corresponds to the bank that you're working with or looking at. However, if I go and record enable the Rhodes, when I go up and down, it's actually working in octaves. So it's smart enough to understand what it's working with, and it can work traditionally in octaves, or it can work with the banks. I'm going to go back to our drum kit here. We're on the right thing. And I'm in note repeat mode, which means I'm in note mode essentially. But if I go over here to hit full level, I'm now in clip mode. So I can launch clips from here. Now, one of the cool things about the clip launcher is that you can look at it and it corresponds to the colors that are in your arrangement. So all my drums are blue. I'm going to close the drum track, and the Rhodes is green. But if I change this, I can go ahead and look at this and go, hey, I'm going to make this pink. And lo and behold, it turns to pink on the Atom. So you'll always know what clip you're trying to work with when you're using it. Now, you'll notice that these two are kind of flashing. What they're telling you is that those clips are ready to be played. And if I hit start, then those are the ones that will be playing. So right now I'm going to take a look at how you can program something pretty easily inside here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I'm on the track I want, and I am. I'm on track 1. I have that chord enabled, so that's ready to go. And then I can sit here and I can say, hey, I can turn the click on, right? So, and I've made myself a 4-bar loop. So this is bar 3, bar 4 is coming up, and I'm going to hit record. And there we go. Take the click off. And that's quickly making a beat and a clip inside Ableton using the new Atom. So I'm just going to go back into my full level scene mode. And that's it from Kenny Moran and Mobile Sessions. And we out.